Go for it.
Alright, so in today's video, we are going to be putting hardwood floors in this BMW E90 right here. Semi-partial hardwood floors. We're going to have like the middle section be the wood. You guys will see. So first step is we'll take the carpet out where we want the wood. We will see you guys then. So Aiden has done this before the right way, so we're going to be listening to him on what to do.
Okay, so the plan is that we are going to line up. We're going to put the boards together, we're going to line it up, and we're going to take the carpeting because that's where we're going to put it. We're just putting it
from here
right in the center
to here.
And then we're going to put this on top, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to just trace the shape out on the wood on the back of it, put it on top of the saws and cut the shape out, and we'll stick them in the trunk.
That didn't make much sense. We will show you what we mean right now. So we got the wood flipped over on our cutting table. Now we're going to trace out the carpet on the wood, cut it up, drop it in the trunk.
Drop her in. Alright.
Safety first.
Safety first. Whatever. I can't see what this saw does. Alright, come on, fly.
So this is how we're coming along. We got a few more pieces to cut. We'll show you the end result here in a minute.
Looking pretty well.
So we just got it done. It's looking absolutely killer.
This is going to be the end of the video. It was a short video, but it's because it started getting dark and then the camera was dying. But like now you know how to do wood flooring, so like go put it in your trunk. I don't want to hear any more excuses. Go do it.